This homemade bread is easy. All you need is bread flour, instant yeast, sugar, salt and water. It is important that you use bread flour and not all-purpose flour. If you have dry active yeast, read the description below how you can use it in this recipe. After you transferred all the ingredients into a bowl, you can either mix them by hand or use a stand mixer. It takes about 7 minutes for the mixer to make the dough. Manually, you can do it in say 10 minutes. You can add more flour or water to adjust the consistency of the dough. The dough is ready when it is no longer sticky. You can see how it detaches from the side of the bowl, or from your hands if you need by hand. At this point, you shape the dough into a ball. Rub the bowl with some oil, and transfer some of the oil on the ball of dough too. This way the dough won't stick to the bowl, and will be easier to remove after it rises. Cover the dough with food wrap and let rise in a warm, draft-free place for 2 hours or until doubled in volume. The dough increased in volume significantly. Remove from the bowl onto the work surface. You can make 1 large loaf or 2 smaller ones. I make 1 large loaf in this video. As you stretch the dough approximately into a rectangle, the dough will deflate by itself. Roll the rectangle into a log, and place seam down onto a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Score the bread by making a few diagonal slashes approximately 1/4 inch deep, using a very sharp knife. This will help the bread rise easier during the second rise and baking. I like to brush the bread with egg wash. It makes the bread tastier and a little bit shiny, but I have to mention that the bread will get a nice brown color even without the egg wash, because it is made with bread flour, so the egg wash is optional. Leave the bread rise for approximately 45 minutes. I like to leave it in the oven, with the oven turned off. The loaf should again double in volume. About 10 minutes before the second rising ends, I turn the oven on with a temperature setting of 450 degrees Fahrenheit. After the oven reaches the set temperature, it takes 20 to 25 minutes for the bread to be properly baked.